Welcome. You have arrived at the threshold. What follows is an audio spell ritual. The conscious mind loosens its hold, and the deeper mind takes up the working through rest, stillness, or quiet awareness. You are not here by accident, and nothing that stirs now does so without reason. Let the body settle where it rests. Feel its weight. Feel its warmth. Take a slow breath in, drawing awareness inward, and release it gently, as though crossing out of the outer world and into something older. You do not need to reach. Power does not answer force. It responds to recognition. Now, sense a circle forming around you. Not marked by salt or stone, but drawn by intention alone. The circle closes gently, sealing a space between worlds. Within this boundary, only what serves your awakening may enter. Within this circle, you are permitted to remember who you are beneath the surface of things. Bring your awareness to the center of your being, the place where breath, instinct, and knowing meet. Beneath the noise of thought, something listens. When you are ready, speak these words inwardly or aloud. I call back what sleeps within me. I open the way for what is ready to rise. I stand willing to know myself beyond fear and forgetting. Feel how the space around you responds. Power recognizes its own name. Within the circle, the air begins to change, not in sound, but in weight. Something ancient has heard you. From the stillness, a talisman is revealed. It may appear as a sigil, a flame, a blade, a crown, a shadow, or a word that seems to echo once and then fall silent. However it comes, know this: it is yours because it has always been. This is the mark your power wears when it is acknowledged. When you are ready, see this talisman drawn toward you, pressed into the brow, sealed within the heart, and bound gently to the hands. As it enters, speak these words out loud or within your mind. By my will and my knowing, I call myself awake. What sleeps within me rises now. In truth, in time, and in balance. I accept the power that answers me. Feel the seal set, not closed, You may feel warmth, a current along the spine, a pressure behind the eyes, a heaviness in the palms, or perhaps only a quiet certainty. Do not chase sensation. Power deepens when it is allowed to unfold in its own rhythm. Like an ember uncovered, it brightens, not by force, but by breath. Let these truths be spoken into you. I am receptive to my own power. I trust what awakens within me. I recognize my intuition as a guide. I do not rush my becoming. What is meant for me responds when I listen. The circle begins to soften, not broken, but released. What has been claimed remains. What has stirred continues its work beyond this moment. This ritual is sealed by awareness, by consent, and by remembering. Rest now, or return gently to waking awareness. In the days ahead, notice where your talisman returns to you. In thought, in dream, in the waking world, or in quiet moments of knowing. Your power has heard you, and it remembers the way back. And so it is.